Most conventional cooking oils go through severe processing with chemical solvents, steamers, neutralizers, dewaxers, bleach, and even deodorizers before they're sold. The problem is that by this point, their molecular structure has changed, making them very bad for you. They can cause inflammation, which opens the door to serious health problems like Alzheimer's, stroke, and heart disease. The oils that I'd recommend to remove from your pantry right away are soybean, canola, corn, and cottonseed. Be sure to read ingredient labels on prepared foods to avoid consuming these oils indirectly. The best oils to choose from are coconut or avocado oil and ghee for cooking, and flax or olive oil for cool preparations. I'm Ann Schechter, and this is the Wellness Minute.